What's up everyone, Michael Ruttle, immigration attorney here with another video for you on how immigration affects everyone. In the wake of recent COVID outbreaks in Africa due to the Omicron variant, the United States government has taken a number of precautions to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Among them is a ban on travelers from certain African countries. In this video, I'm going to be giving you the latest information on who is affected by these travel bans and who is not. If you are looking for an immigration lawyer to help you out with your case, there are two things that you should know before selecting the right one because the immigration process is complicated and can be extremely frustrating. Number one, make sure that the lawyer you're talking to has experience with the type of case that you're dealing with, someone who's helped someone in the past going through something similar to what you're going through. Number two, ask them about their success rate. You want to go into this with high expectations, but it's important that any lawyer has had some sort of success in the past so that they know what works and what doesn't work when it comes to cases like yours. On November 26, 2021, President Biden signed a proclamation suspending the entry of certain non-citizens who were present in Botswana, Eswatini, Lesotho, Malawi, Mozambique, Namibia, South Africa, and Zimbabwe during the 14 days prior to their attempted entry into the United States. And it took effect Monday, November 29, 2021. U.S. citizens and green card holders are not subject to the proclamation. Other exceptions include foreign diplomats, traveling on an A or a G visa, certain family members, and family members of citizens and green card holders as well, such as spouses, children, parents, and siblings. There's also an exception for air and sea crew travelers entering the U.S. on a C or a D visa. Also, as with previous travel bans, there's an option to apply for something called a national interest exemption for any non-citizen whose entry would be in what's called the national interest as determined by the United States government. You should know that any national interest exemption issued to you before November 26 is now void under the new proclamation. Also, any national interest exception granted under this proclamation will not exempt a traveler from testing or COVID vaccination requirements under the CDC. If you have questions about how your case might be affected by these new restrictions, don't wait until you're at your local airport. Give us a call today so we can help ensure that you're ready for your travel abroad, even if it means applying for a national interest exception or going through additional screening measures while traveling internationally. Until next time, I'm attorney Michael Ruttle. Thanks for watching. Keep climbing that mountain.